Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Chair.
Yes,
Mr. Chair.
yes, by Dr. Norin Badeo.
I think it is of note to tell you lang that to report to you that in the wee hours of the 24th of August, I approached General Torre and I said to him, ikaw mula't simula wala kang ginawang legal at moral. And then he said, like what? And then I said, wala kang search warrant. And then he said, patanda na tayong dalawa, hindi mahalaga yon. That's what
Okay, wait.
You confirm? You said that? Na hindi mahalaga yung search warrant?
This will be her word.
You can answer this or no?
It will be my word.
Okay, wait.
Against her word, sir. I did not say that. And at that instance, sir, I will stand, ma'am. I'm
Mr.
talking
Chair,
to the
there are
chairman.
videos.
There are videos.
Sir,
So may video.
whatever the you say, but in that instance, sir, it is already established until they want to question it again. We don't
Okay.
need a search warrant to implement the warrant of arrest. The search warrant, again, sir, I will reiterate, is for objects, contrabands, illegal items. And we never said that there are illegal items, contrabands, or things that we are searching in KOJC. What we are searching for in KOJC, sir, is Apollo Kibuloy and 4 others.
But the requirement before you serve the warrant of arrest.
Eto kung papanoorin po natin dito, never pong kinampihan ni Bato de la Rosa itong ating mga kapulisan. Okay? Ang palagi niyang pinapakinggan po dito ay yung mga kulto, yung mga bayaran na nagtatanggol sa mga kulto. Okay? Yung mga nandyan sa Iseminay na mga walang mga silbi. Yun. Ang gusto po nitong mga kulto ngayon, okay, ay makulong itong si Torre or cited in contempt. Yung gusto nila eh. Kasi gusto nilang palabasin dito na sinungaling, okay, si Torre. Di ba? Yung kasinungalingan nila, ipapasa nila ngayon dito kay Torre. Yun po yung nakikita ko dito eh. Kasi gigil na po sila dito. Kasi wala silang nagawa eh. Supalpal silang lahat eh. Di ba?
Is that you should have reasonable ground to believe that the person that you are going to arrest is inside that facility that you are going to get into.
We have more than
Correct.
reasonable ground, sir. Yes, sir.
By what?
We have more
By
than
what
reasonable-
means?
This is the second time that this warrant is served by the PNP. The first one is in June 10, sir.
Nakita nyo, nag-walk out na yata si Basti dyan. Kasi dumaan sa camera, di ba?
We have intel reports. We have the pastorals and witnesses who had already tumiwalag na, sir, sa kanilang grupo. We have informants. And by all indications, sir, ang tagal namin sinurveillance ang lugar, sir. Talagang sinurveillance yan, sir, ng
Bakit
matagal na panahon.
hindi pa rin yun nahuli?
We will
With
explain,
all those information.
sir, in our briefing after this briefing of
Ay, salamat po kay Vince Eso sa pagpasok sa ating live. Maraming salamat po. Ayan.
OJC, sir.
Okay.
If you will allow us, sir, thank you.
We will allow you. We will give you ample time to do that.
Before we
Continue,
continue, Your Honor, may we ask General Torre, why is it that before the 30 minutes lapse, his men already destroyed the southern gate and the eastern portion of the gate? May we know, Your Honor, why there was seeming miscoordination with his men, which led to the death of one person and the injuries of other persons?
I am also interested to know that the answer of to that question. You said,
Sir,
we'll give you 30 minutes. Then, wala pang 30 minutes, ando na. Tumira na yung mga tao sa likuran. Can you explain?
This type of this line of questioning of Atty. Torion, sir, is a little bit belligerent in the sense na anong oras ba, sir, ang pinagsimulan ng aming 30 minutes? Baka magkaiba ang timeline niya, sir, sa timeline ko.
Yun,
Baka
yun,
magkaiba ang
tama.
timeline niya sa timeline ko. So, at the end of the day, sir,
Tama, kasi pwedeng pikiin niya ng Iseminay eh. Pwede silang gumawa ng kwento eh. Diba? Pwede silang gumawa ng kwento niyan. Masira lang si Torion at ma-cited in contempt lang. Yun yung goal nila dyan. Hinahanapan nila ngayon si Torion ng Torion. Torre ng butas. Diba? Gusto nila makulong si Torre. At ito si Torion, gumagawa yan ng paraan para madiin ito. Diba? Halatang halata. Siyempre lamang sila. Ay bias yung dalawang senador dyan eh. Bato at Robin Padilla, mga bias yan. Ang pangit lang dito, no? Nagagamit po yung pera ng mga Pilipino dito sa walang kwentang hearing na to. Tayo, nagbabayad tayo ng taxpayer tayo. Napupunta lang sa hearing na walang kwenta. Kayo dyan, mga nanonood sa akin. Diba? Saan napunta yung mga pera nyo? Dito, sa hearing na to. Kasi may budget yan eh. Binadgetan yan eh. Diba? Ay, salamat po sa 871 thumbs up natin dyan.
We give them ample time. 30 minutes is an ample time, I suppose. And first and foremost, sir, they have no right actually, sir, to block the police after we announce our intention and the legality of our operation.
And also,
It is recorded, sir, in the LRAD. Kaya nga sabi nila, sir, very clear ang instruction mo, sir. Because after I talked to him, I played my recording on the LRAD. Ito po, pakinggan nyo para maliwanag sa lahat. Kasi pati ang pag-static ng mic, pati ang pag-malfunction ng public address system, pinaghandaan namin, sir. So the best solution is a recorded message in the LRAD with me beside it. Boses ko rin yun, sir, na nagsasabi, ako po si Police Brigadier General Torre, ako po ay may warrant of arrest na dala para kay Apollo Kibuloy, papasukin niyo po kami dyan dahil aarestuhin namin siya. So basically, sir, that's what the law says, that's what the law that we complied with. Thank you, sir.
thank you.
Mr. Chair, meron pong kasabihan sa Latin, falsis in uno, falsis in omnibus. False in one thing, false in everything. The fact of the matter is we're dealing with a man who is a liar, comfortably lies, and disrespects the Senate hearing right now. Kanina sinabi ko yung usapan namin, di ba, na kaming dalawa lang. And then he says it's her word against mine. And then when I said that, well, there was a video, it was recorded, he very comfortably flip-flop. So this is a very important point, because right now he's comfortably lying in a Senate hearing and he thinks that arrogance.
O, diba? Gusto nilang palabasin dito na sinungaling ito si Torre. Parang gusto niyan sabihin, contempt mo na yan. Diba? Contempt mo na yan, huwag mo nang patagalin pa.
That he can get away with it, and then that arrogance will be suffered by the KOJC once the senators are out of out of the vow.
Anyway, Your Honor, we have videos, Your Honor, which would prove that even before we even talked to him that there was no need to use force, and we are cooperating, and even before the lapse of 10 minutes, Your Honor, there was
No need to use force. Okay? Actually, ang ating kapulisan, hindi naman gagamit ng puwersa yan kung hindi kayo humaharang at agresibo. Okay? Ngayon, bakit gumagamit ng puwersa itong ating mga kapulisan? Kasi po, halatang-halata naman sa mga nakaraan pang mga video, okay? Kay Kuya Alex TV shoutout, halatang-halata naman na agresibo po itong mga miyembro ni Kibuloy, itong mga kulto na to. May mga hawak pang pamalo eh. 'Di ba? Binubuhusan pa nga ng tubig yung kapulisan natin. Hindi po babanat or gagamit ng puwersa yung kapulisan kapag hindi po sila inunahan. Kasi ang ating kapulisan ay nagsabi na papasok kami dyan, meron kaming warrant of arrest, huwag kayong haharang. Okay? Yun. Maraming humarang. Tapos may mga minor na humaharang. Sinadya talaga nila yun, na iharang yung mga minor at yung mga matatanda na. Para pag namatay, isisi nila sa kapulisan. Isisi nila kay Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Diba? Yun.
was already an explosion at the back, and we received frantic calls that they were already tear gassed. Anyway, we will leave that, Your Honor, and we will continue with day 2, August 25, the pepper spray.
Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair.
Yes, go ahead. With the
indulgence of Attorney
Okay.
Torion,
right.
very briefly, I think the video will not lie. We were live even minutes before they arrived. So simultaneously, when the 30-minute mark was announced, we were already live. And it was also live at the very area where the men of the SAP got the barbed wire and the explosion followed.
Tama yan, Angel Gabriel, no? Pasok sila ng pasok. Hirit sila ng hirit. Di pa na-recognize. Paano kasi? Si Bato, ano bang alam ni Bato? Siguro alam niya. Hinahayaan niya na lang. Pabor sa kanila eh.
KO.
Pabor. Diba?
So probably directly the video will be submitted to you, Your Honor.
Ito fake news din to. Ginamit yung CNN. Itong kalbo na to. Jason sa ba to? Ginamit yung CNN. Pang fake news. Para siraan yung ating mahal na Pangulo. Hindi ko alam nga ba't nandyan yan. Ba't pinapayagan magsalita yung aso dyan? Aso yan eh. Aso yung putang inang yan eh. Diba?
KO.
Animal kang panot ka.
For better appreciation. Thank you.
Thank you. I will. You have to present that video before this committee.
So we will
Continue.
continue the narration, Your Honor. during the omnibus search, Your Honor, we had a hard time with our lawyers, Your Honor, as to who will we follow, because it was really if there is an unlearized, Your Honor, it was also an unlimited search, Your Honor. All places of KOJC was actually searched, Your Honor, all places, Your Honor. And by 9:40 in the morning, the search was already completed, Your Honor. And by August 25, the next day, Your Honor, the new batches of SAC personnel actually arrived, and they barricaded right away the school, our school, Your Honor. And by 9:30, new batches of SAC personnel wearing full battle gear, Your Honor, and equipped with riot batons entered the compound. And it was during this time, I think, Your Honor, when they were using the batons, Your Honor, and they were pounding their truncheons, and it was really very deafening, Your Honor. If you will think, that's what they did. I don't know why they have to do that, Your Honor, to intimidate us. And I approached one officer there, a certain captain, I got his name somewhere, and approached him, sir, is there really a need for you to do that?
Ma'am Gina Laura, shoutout. Oy, salamat po sa 989 thumbs up natin dyan, ha.
Already barricading my school. And then he shouted at me and said, did you see me order them? And then, so I just want, please, sir, please stop that, because it is scaring the members of KOJC. And I think there's really no need for you to do that, because you are serving a warrant and you need not defend us. No? Dili namin kinahanglan ipabungol ba? No? So at 10:15, they were using K9 dogs in the search. And these K9 dogs were brought in almost all of the places in KOJC. Next slide, please. And then, yeah, at 10:30, we were again barred from entering the compound, some of the lawyers, and even the executive minister, Your Honor, was also barred by the PNP to enter the compound. So this is a situation where the police was completely in control as to who would enter the compound or not, even if he is the head of KOJC, Your Honor. And accordingly, they also unlawfully arrested Jeremy, two members, Your Honor, the Conchita brothers, because Cognita brothers, Your Honor, simply because of the fact that one brother was so concerned as to what happened with his other brother, and he was pleading to the police to be allowed to see the brother, and instead they were both arrested, Your Honor. Next slide, please. And then at 6 o'clock in the evening,
Ito si Torion, mga preno. Meron akong ipapakitang video dito. Wait lang, hanapin ko lang. Ito kay Attorney Claire ito eh. Tingnan ko lang ako nandito ba to? Asa na yun? Where na yun? Ito. Hanapin ko lang. Ba't puro isang video lang to? Wait lang po
Hello ate, may tatanong.
Ano to?
Hello ate,
Nawala.
Hello ate, may tatanong lang. Hello ate. May tatanong lang ako.
Nawala yung mga sinave kong video Hindi, next time na lang, next time.
Pinagpapanggap na may
Nawala. Ay, naku po. Anyway, balik to, ano na lang tayo dito sa Senate hearing. Yung na-prepare kong mga video, biglang na-refresh. Patungkol sana yun kay Torion. Balikan na lang natin mamaya.
I think I was out of the KOJC few meters away for a while, Your Honor. There was a prayer rally that was conducted, and the PNP, through General Torre, he used the LRAD again, and ordered his men to disperse the KOJC members, Your Honor. Tear gases and pepper spray actually were used during that time, and there were several members who were injured because of the dispersal. And the PNP made random and unlawful arrests of KOJC members, even if they were not committing crimes, Your Honor.
Sinungaling ka, di ba? Sinungaling ka, Torion. Bakit ka naman aarestuhin kung wala kang ginawang mali? Wala kang paglabag na ginawa, wala kang pagharang na ginawa. Bakit ka aarestuhin? Ikitang-kita sa video Nakikipagsiksikan kayo dyan Diba? Pumapalag kayo sa kapulisan Sino bang tangang pulis ngayon na aarestuhin ka nang wala kang ginagawa? O halimbawa, kami ni Ayan Herrera, sample ko lang, isa akong pulis, magkita kami. O aarestuhin ko ba yan? Wala mang ginawang masama yan. Wala talaga to. Bangag ka, attorney. Tuloy natin.
And there is even evidence, Your Honor, that the PNP planted evidences against a member, Generoso Apolostero, Your Honor. There was a kitchen knife and 3 racks
Fake news yan. Tuloy natin.
which were accordingly suddenly found in his bag. Next slide, please.
Alam nyo, kung talagang sinasabi nyo may mga tinatanim dyan, okay, kompleto naman kayo ng CCTV, may mga video ba kayo na talagang nahulihan, na talagang nilagay doon? Wala eh. Noong si Kibuloy lumabas yung audio, sinabi niya na yan ni Kibuloy na, pag may makita kayo dyan, pag pinasok yung compound ko, at may nakita kayong mga barel, mga kung ano-ano dyan, hindi po amin yan, tinanim po yan sa amin. Napaka-defensive mo masyado, Kibuloy. Diba? Kasi alam mo naman talaga na marami dyan sa Kingdom, hindi nyo lang agad ma-pull out kasi marami nga. Diba? So ayan, may nakita na ngayong kapulisan natin dyan, sablay na kayo, at yan yung depensa nyo. Papalabasin yung magaling magtanim ang ating mga dyan, PNP.
And then, as of August 25, 6 p.m., Your Honor, the PNP locked down the basement of the GMCFI building. This is actually the first time that they attempted to already make the hole, Your Honor. The tunneling that they conducted, the mining, I think we suspected that this was the mining operations that the date that they started it, Your Honor. They barricaded the first floor of the GMCFI school building and even threatened to use a jackhammer or a bomb to expose the alleged bunker or hideout of Pastor. I think during this time, Your Honor, I was live on Facebook because I didn't know what to do anymore, and I had to do that because there was this threat that a bomb would allegedly be used to expose a certain bunker or hideout of Pastor Apollo.
Actually, sinabi naman niya ng ating mga kapulisan na wala silang sinabi na ang bunker ni Kibuloy ay papasabugin. Kayo yung gumagawa ng niyan, kwento. Ang akin lang napag-alaman na talagang huhukayin o di kaya bubutasin nila ito. Magkaiba kasi ang bubutasin sa papasabugin. Fake news! Ang tanong ngayon, may pinasabog ba? Wala. Kaya kayo, grabe kayo makapambilog sa mga utak ng mga Pilipino. Kaya akong masasabi ko sa inyo, laliman nyo pong mag-isip, okay? Ma'am G. Masikwat, shoutout po ha. Ito po, huwag tayo magpauto. May sarili tayong utak, mag-imbestiga tayo, kung ano yung nakikita natin sa social media. Diba? Lalo na yung mga kapulisan natin dyan sa Kingdom, dudura lang sila ha. May hawak silang mineral, doon nila nilalagay yung dura nila. Sinabi ng Isiminay, nagdudruga daw, nagrarugby daw. Pagkatatanga ng mga to, mga animal. Dudura lang. Yung dura ilalagay sa kasi bawal nga dumura eh. 'Di ba? Bawal. So nire-respeto ng kapulisan natin yung litsin na lugar na 'yan. Yung Kingdom, sa loob ng Kingdom. Pero ang naging masama pa, binidyoan yung kapulisan natin ay nagrarugby daw. Ay pagkatanga, 'di ba? Fake news, 'di ba?